everyone and welcome to the channel. In the last video I showed you how to fix the problems with water in the Traxxas UDR, and to fix it I take it off the body. Taking off the body I had an easy access to the inside, and inside there were a lot of little things that I didn't like. So this was the occasion to upgrade a little bit the how do you say, it's not a technical upgrade, it's just a visual upgrade, something that to your eyes appears better. I wanted to show you just to let you have an idea, and perhaps doing something like this, or why not, better. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, did I say it? Subscribe. Of course, subscribe. Hello everyone, I'm painting for adding a little bit more detail on my UDR. After working on the mechanics, greasing, washing, drying, taking away all the rust that unfortunately with this surprising madness in Traxxas material, they make waterproof cars, but they don't think about rust on screws and ball bearings. Take care a lot. Remember, if you want to have fun with water, then you will pay it. Now I am adding some little more detail to the car, and I show you if you want, if you like. And this is what I am doing, just detailing, because the car needs for sure some better looking things. This one is a terrible thing. I have to think it over. I don't like at all. But it's quite difficult, because painting on Lexan with this kind of paint that I use, it's not safe. With it comes out, it doesn't grips very well to this kind of plastic, so I have to think it over. For sure this is not a part that receive many parts, many damages. But I have to do something. This is ugly. To me it looks ugly. Continue painting. Speaking about detailing the car, it's a nice job and takes quite a good time, nice time, big enjoyment, and the result depends on your skill. It's always appreciated. In this car I have decided to change something in the cockpit, painting the pilots and adding a little touch. and I take inspiration from the old Top Gear with the Stig. So I have decided to have Stig brothers. They are twin, and they have white dress, white helmet, but orange gloves. This is in order to increase the detailing of the interiors. I've made matte the steering wheel and matte the seats. About the other parts, it is absolutely standard. Oh, well, not. I have made matte also the seat belts. So the result is quite nice. Then in the back part of the car there are a lot of things. So I've decided to make chrome the fan here, but you can see it and don't see. Sometimes you see something shining better than before. Then I've detailed these parts. About the shocks, just the two bolts, the chrome bolts, and about the extinguisher, some silver, some black. The dial is black, and I've made also the hole here under. You can see it, but it was flat. There were no hole. Let me see if I can show you here. Do you see it? Perhaps, yes, you can see the two extinguisher. Then the batteries, two batteries. We have two batteries. Just painting, nothing, no cables added, nothing like that. Just painting, and painting is the first part of over detailing. And you see the plus is in red, and the minus is in gold. That would be brass for the part on the cable, and silver the pole. These are the oil cans, and they stay inside a alu case, and they have a blue cap, and the can is gray as it was. Quite good, perhaps with red cap, but I like by this way. And if you see the car by this view, it's a little bit more realistic. It doesn't go faster, but it's nice, and I had a lot of fun making this. But the thing that I love most is here, and it is the jack. The jack was grey and was quite like a part of the frame. By this way, in red with silver detailing. This is dry brushing. I love it very much. And these are all the details I've made this time. Before, if you haven't seen the video, I've mounted the mud guards, 1 and 2. These beautiful metal brakes with disc and caliper, and in the front a very useful skid plate. This is just a cover for the original frame, and it is very, very useful because you see here, using the car, it's very easy to scrape something, and here under this was very damaged. There are a lot of other parts I can buy, and perhaps the next one will be mirrors for here, and here there are some straps to hold the tires down. Like it. I'm very happy. A lot of fun. this is it. Bye bye everyone. Remember, comment, like and subscribe, and see the next time. Bye bye from Nandi.